explore. Kami ni Sam sa pinto, si Sam sa CCTV. Okay, Simon? Skip. Okay, select everything, Sam. Tapos confirm, kasi free. Okay, confirm. It's free. Confirm.
So please, just win na to.
Yeah, I think we have a chance, bro. Okay. Ikaw sa... Si Sam nakahiga. Huwag ka humiga, Sam! Humihiga si Sam. Tingnan mo, Simon. Ikaw dito sa... Ako dito sa camera 2. Ikaw sa camera 1. Sam, huwag ka tumingin sa camera. Ikaw, Sam.
Oo, ikaw
Ikaw magkuklose ng pinto, Sam. Sam, talk. Bro! Sam! Oh, shoot. Sam!
Where is it going?
Sam!
Check the other one.
Sam, just tell us!
Come 1 and come 2, only use that. Don't push. Yeah, close them when they're done. When you're just coming.
Sam, let me check the camera.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Get ready, guys.
Camera 1!
Sam, you're not playing any camera.
What camera?
This is camera 2 and that's camera 1, the other one. Maling si Freddy dyan. Nah, bro's not British. Yes, Simon, don't mess up, bro. Sam, let me check the camera.
Yeah, leave the camera.
Don't camp at the closet, you will do it. What camera? Sam, what camera? Bro, be fast, bro. Come back, bro. Oh, stare natin. Sam!
Wait, where are they?
They're scared of my aura.
Oh, go this way, going to the other side. Going to the other side.
Camera 1?
Yeah, he's going there. Check camera 1, Sam. Check camera 1.
Oh, shoot. Oh, crap.
There you go.
Guys, wait. Oh my gosh. Discharged. Camera 2, I'm ready. What? Ready?
I'm going high.
Yes, bro. Okay nga, wala na siya. Last. Okay, wala na. Pwede na lumabas. Captain, why are you chatting, bro? You're in the call. Yeah, I'm the only one alive. Look at those dead bodies on the floor. No. Camera 3 going to camera 4. You have to lock the door. Oh, it's not locking.
Go to right. Go to right, yeah.
So dark.
Go to the bed.
Crap, it's so dark. Crap, bro, it's so dark.
No, don't go there. Go to the other side. No. No, just go there. You go to left. Hey, right. Yes. Turn up. Turn up.
Yeah, bro, took the puppet. Wait, let's go check the puppet. Don't let the music box reach his head. What?
Oh.
Okay, play again, guys. Play again. Sam, let me do the
Pero
camera.
habang natay ka, mag-ano ka na rin.
Mag-iip ka na lang sa'yo. Let me do the camera.
I know what I'm ready for. I know what it is for me.
Just it again!
Oh, sabi mo Sam, kasi mag-camera ka na lang. Ay, camera ko eh. Mag-burn up ka na lang kasi.
Ako na lang camera, di ba mas magaling ako? Tapos yung isa. Sam, do you know how many attempts are we at right now?
Super okay.
16, bro.
Okay, it's so impossible.
Okay, let me do the camera. Camera 6-7. Guys, anong gagawin natin pag nawala yung electricity?
Ano, punta tayo sa pinuntahan.
Uy, may black person! Person yun.
Oh, kami sa
Kampi. Camera, hindi ko siya mahanap sino yun. Hindi ko lang. Camera 3 going to camera 4. Camera 3 is now at 4. Camera 4 going to camera 1. Camera 1. Yep, camera 1 is Bonnie. No, it's just standing there. Oh, it's going back. Nah, little bro had a chance to kill us. Puppet under the bed that I just went.
No, stop!
Camera 3. Going to camera 4. 4.
Stop! Let's go in the middle!
Hindi ko may
Bigyan yung pangit ang pinaya ko ng kamaya. Paano ko nga ba? Bakit nga kayo?
Ako naman.
How did you get that?
Iniwan mo ang tatay mo. Si Golden Freddy. Ay, kailangan ako.
Balerina kaputi na.
Sino yun? Wala naman. Ha?
Oh, I think we need, when it's blackout, I think we need to make that, the time on,
Ano?
parang blackout na lang.
Sino si Bakti? Bakti bungi. Walang ngipin. Ay, hindi ko. Walang mata. Tumatago lang yung girlfriend mo na bangit na. Stop close! I thought it was red, bro. My bad. Pag nag-blackout, saan ulit pupunta? Saan ba yun? Di ba left? Di ba yun left? Uy, si Bonnie. Wait, ako na mag-blackout.
Ulit na!
My reaction time is fast. Chika. Wait, don't close it yet. I'll tell you when it's closed. Diyan pa ba? Wala. Ano, camera? Pwede, i-close mo na ang mouth mo. Close mo na ang mouth. That was biglang nag-blackout. Uy, kamay ni! Kailangan survive ako lang. Mamatay na ako. Tingnan anong sinend mo sa akin.
Hey, yo!
Yo!
Say again.
Wait, that's a boy! Yo, it's like mystical.
Oh my god.
Oh,
What?
how many attempts? What do we do when it's blackout?
I think we need to run.
What if chickens at the
Repair what?
Naging nag-blackout tayo sinabi. Huwag na tayo mag-trash talk.
Nakakatawa.
Yung nag-trash talk tayo na.
Okay. I'm going out. I'm gonna go out.
Mag-explore tayo doon sa puppet.
Yeah, doon tayo magsistay tayo kami sa puppet.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Dito tayo. Piling ko kailangan natin bilisan. Dito sa kaliwa! Oh crap. Sino? Si Golden Freddy or si Freddy? Pinasok ka na.
Go.
Uy, saan ka na?
Tago.
Tago!
Aray!
Yung cupcake! Uy, yung music! Takbo yung music! Narinig ko yung music. Don't let the music stop.
Hanapin mo yung music box.
Okay,
Hanapin mo yung
fine.
music box.
Hindi, narinig ko lang.
Hanapin mo.
Oh crap.
Get out!
Bro, mag-search na lang na tayo.
How to beat it.
Search how to beat
Ayan, ito na.
blackout.
Anong pangalan ng game? Anong pangalan ng game?
Ewan ko, bro! Ay, patay na. Kayo na lang dalawa ni Sam. Cam 2 is right, left.
Pangalan!
5 right,
External light.
external left.
How to beat eternal light. Eternal light.
Mamatay na din Simon! Ay, yuk! Hindi, yung blackout.
Same people use the lights and close doors when
Ano pa ba natin ang mapin music box?
return music.
Guys, huwag kayo masyadong matawag ng...
Oh, it's like in FNAF 2. Okay.
Okay, I understand now. Skip. Okay, so wag niyo i-overuse yung camera.
Yeah, don't use
Kala ko kasi walang electricity yung camera eh.
But expert kami ni Cody. Tapos isa na like dapat natin sa box.
Pero wala tayong battery.
Yung ano may mga battery.
Pero wala tayong battery. Okay. Ilasan ako. Okay. Huwag muna tayo save tayo no. Guys, huwag kayo mag-overuse ng camera ha. Sige.
Oh, use not a screwdriver.
Oh, wala.
Yung screwdriver.
Nasa yung may screwdriver.
Don't overuse the
Camera.
camera, yeah.
And the door. Sino may camera? Ay, screwdriver pala. Oh, tinakot mo na naman ako. Ay, no, baka pwede tayo dumaan dito. Oh, shoot. I hear something. Oh, shoot. Wala akong flashlight. Wala akong battery. Oh, sino nag-close ng pinto? Teka. Sino? Foxy? Wait, mag-check naman kayo ng camera kung di ko. Oh, explore na ako. Sino ba may screwdriver? Oh, crap. Sam, balik! Naku na si Simon sa labas. Nakalimutan ko i-close yung kabilang door. Makakain ng cupcake si Simon. Yeah, nasa camera po si Simon. Check lang natin paano ginagawa. Tingnan mo yung ginagawa ni Simon! Anong camera si Simon?
Oh my god!
na si Simon? Okay, mag-explore na ako. Bukas na ba? Uy, si Bonnie ba yan? Sino yan? Si Bonnie, si Foxy yan.
Bro, until break, ano. Get out. Can I guys?
Fine, bro. Black. Please. So?
Oh my god.
Pili ko hindi natin makukumpleto.
Ayan, basta. Basta mo na yun.
Oh my god.
I'm crying right now. Yan na mo daw.
Sige na guys, bye.
Bye-bye.